How to find and see your public profile on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you where to find your public profile on Lightroom. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page. Now go down here, click on this discover option here in the down corner. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many people that are posting their edits, as you can see. And all what you have to do to find your profile, go to the top and click on this little profile picture. Click on it and it will take you directly to your public profile. And here you will find your profile easily and fast, and you can share your edit to from here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.